Welcome back. You will not see me complaining about the forecast today, especially because parts of the West Coast are in the hundreds already.
I know. I know somebody who works in Sacramento, and I saw that their high temperature today was 112 degrees.
Absolutely
out
not.
there. So yes, it makes us appreciate the 80s that we have right now. Going to top off somewhere near 90 today. And check this out down in Perry. The flag's waving in the wind, and if you look just beyond the tree line there is one small shower there coming across the Houston County line. It would be right in this area, right in here. That is the rain shaft. 83 degrees, the current number, partly cloudy. It feels like 90 though with a dew point of 74. So it is a humid afternoon across central Georgia. 87 in Macon, 85 in Warner Robins, 84 down in Eastman, and 86 already in Swainsboro. Now notice the radar picture is mostly quiet, but we are picking up on two areas of activity. The first here is just south of Thomaston, moving towards the Culloden area. A heavier downpour just to the northeast of Culloden. That's moving across southern Monroe County. And then we slide this down into southern Peach County on into Macon County. This is the little shower that's developed that's moving towards Perry. So we were looking from the fairgrounds right there, and there's the heavy downpour just outside of Marshallville. As we head through the day today, these are going to remain possible. Here is the noon hour. Notice it's picking up on just a handful of showers across central Georgia. There's 5 p.m. and that's about it. So again, only a 20% chance of rain today. Then for tomorrow, we bring that up to about 30% after starting off the day mostly cloudy. And then here we are about 5 p.m. Again, just some scattered showers across the area. A few of those might last through the overnight hours into Thursday, but then Thursday we begin to build back in a 60% chance of rain, namely in the afternoon and evening hours, before we give way to an 80% chance of rain by the time we get to Friday. Now Friday is not stopping there. We're going to be talking about 70% chance of rain into the weekend as well. And when all is said and done, we could pick up an additional 2 to 4 inches of rain across central Georgia, with the heaviest amounts being further to the east, closer to the South Carolina state line. A check of the tropics this afternoon. We still have Hurricane Danielle, just barely. It's a 75-mile-an-hour storm. It loses 1 mile an hour. It becomes a tropical storm, and this is going to continue to meander right around in the north central Atlantic. Notice how it does a little loop there and then tries to go back down towards Portugal. All of that to say, it's not going to be an issue for us here in the United States, and neither is Tropical Storm Earl. But Earl does have the potential to become not only a hurricane, but our first major hurricane of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season, and it would do so very close to Bermuda right there before finding its way up to where Danielle is at the moment. So something to keep an eye on here over the next few days as it spins away in the Atlantic. 90 degrees here in Macon today, a 20% chance of rain with 1 or 2 showers across the area. Those heat index values, they are going to be up there already in the mid-90s, going to be hanging around in the mid-90s for a little while this afternoon. And then for tomorrow, we'll be right back to 90 degrees for an actual high temperature here in central Georgia. 87 on Thursday with a 60% chance of rain. How about 79 on Friday? But that does come with an 80% chance of showers and storms. And then the weekend is unsettled as well with a 70% chance of rain both days.